Ever since the outbreak of Omicron, many students and teachers at Arcadia High School have undergone challenges sprouting from the virus. Yet Apaches have made a steady recovery, especially with the access to the improved COVID resources here. Rewinding back to January, the Omicron surge made cases soar due to Omicron carriers easily infecting roughly 2 people. Ms. Newkirk shares her and the Arcadia Health Department's recollection of the event.
There was obviously a very significant increase in January. One of the biggest changes that we saw was that the Department of Public Health modified some of their procedures in order to make our processes a little bit more feasible. We also were fortunate enough at AUSD to be able to scale up some of our response staff, so we were able to increase the amount of staff that we had working on cases, as well as we mentioned before, we could increase the amount of testing and the types of testing that we were offering to students.
From the peak of about 100 cases a week now slimming to just 10, it's safe to assume that the crashing tide has settled. A contributing factor is especially this semester's collection of stronger COVID defenses that have fended off the virus unlike before.
We held a distribution event at the start of the semester to make sure that all of our students had access to at least one rapid test kit. And in addition, we've continued to distribute them both through our health offices as well as our AUSD test center. We also received a generous donation of KN95 masks from Arcadia Methodist Hospital, and we've made those masks available to all of our students and staff. They're available by request in our health offices.
As we come nearer to the end of semester 2, though we've come this far, being mindful of our health and the others around us is still a responsibility. This has been Jelani, and back to you guys at the studio.